Created in 1980, Franklin France Activity is based on the global approach to lightning protection. Many times awarded for its innovations, the company never stopped carrying out new solutions and appears like the worldwide reference for all your problems due to lightning. Since 2000, Franklin France belongs to the international CCAM Group, which is composed of around 2,000 persons specialized in electrical energy transport and distribution in the world. Franklin France manufactures, commercializes, and installs a complete range of lightning protection products. Franklin simple rods and meshed cages. Early Streamer Emission lightning conductors, also named ESE. All accessories for down conductors and earthing systems. Earthing testers. Storm detector. Overvoltage protection. Specific cabinets. And aerial beaconing. Lightning is a natural, universal, and permanent phenomenon. It represents 2,000 to 5,000 thunderstorms permanently all over the world, which 100 discharges per second reach the floor. It costs billions of euros to a country's economy and kills thousands of people. It concerns all range of activities and is present in all over the world. Due to up-to-date technologies, the omnipresence of components more and more sensitive and expensive equipments, protecting ourselves against the devastating effects of lightning is an evident priority. Able to reach several kilometers in height and depth, the storm cloud type cumulonimbus is at the origin of lightning production. Its upper part is made of ice crystals positively charged, and its base is made of water droplets negatively charged. When too charged, the cloud evacuates these charges, either with other cloud zones, either with ground. This is lightning. Billions of electrical charges are then dissipated, giving rise to currents possibly reaching 500,000 amperes and voltage with several billion of volts. For several years, Franklin Assistance Team is specialized in protection systems installations. Based on its expertise, the engineering study takes in charge all lightning protection projects from the study on sites or on drawings to the final realization in compliance with the Trade Code of Practice and the standards. Franklin Assistance uses lightning risk software according to the standards in force. This tool allows to determine the protection level required for each installation. The global approach finds its real significance in the particular attention given to the protection system installation. In compliance with the decree of October 11, 1983, prohibiting radioactive lightning conductors manufacture and sales, Franklin France proposes their dismounting and recycling. Franklin Assistance Team is qualified for Nuclear Safety Authority to do the dismounting, collection, and storage in compliance with required safety procedures.
The company more and more attentive to its customers thanks to its development in different areas in France, such as the north, the southeast, and southwest, is also present worldwide with its agents and distributors network.
Certified ISO 9001, 14001, and 18001, Franklin France is in constant evolution and has always for aim the product's performance and its customer satisfaction respecting the environment and safety. The obtention of Qualifoudre reference frame in 2005 shows the quality of the services in 4 fields: studies, manufacture, installation, and checking. Franklin France has built its reputation on the early streamer emission. Created in 1986, the operating principle of the Sainte Elme is to create free charges at the lightning conductor's head level in order to increase the conductivity of the area and to facilitate the lightning capture. The appearance of these charges is created by corona effect, applying on the point the supplied voltage by piezoelectric ceramic cells. The patented mechanical system allows the Sainte Elme to protect a site against lightning direct impact on large protection action radius for an excitation advance able to reach 60 microseconds. In 2005, Franklin France created a new generation of early streamer emission, the Active 2D. The first device, named impulse device, stores the energy and releases the excitation of the ascending discharge at the right time. A second device, named power device, allows to collect and to store the wind and/or solar energy in its capacitors in order to maintain the ascending tracer propagation. The innovation is also its remote control tester, which allows checking the functioning of each lightning conductor. The Active 1D, based on a simple and autonomous technology, allows protection of smaller structure thanks to its 12 microsecond excitation advance. Each year, Franklin France invests more than 5% of its turnover in research and development to stay on the top of the technology. Franklin France tests its products in the most famous French and foreign laboratories, such as Basset in France and Beijing in China, for early streamer emission, but also tests in current like laboratory in Limoges. Besides, Franklin France does in-site test on a 5 years period within a UTE campaign. For Franklin France, the global approach is also the sharing of its expertise. The C3F approved training center, integrated to its quality system, proposes, in France and abroad, a training program elaborated by experts to learn more about lightning and overvoltage phenomena.
Franklin France started its activity abroad, Algeria, in 1984. Nowadays, the export part turnover represents 60% of the total turnover. We work in 70 countries, in all over the world on every continent, 20% on each continent. We invest a lot of money each year to develop our turnover by prospections, seminaries, exhibitions abroad and in France as well.
Franklin France relies on its expertise as its innovation policy for each day, controlling more and more this natural and fascinating phenomenon, far to have given up to its secrets. Lightning.